Hey guys, today we're going to be putting away makeup. So obviously you can see here, this is where I've been like sitting my makeup after I have finished like filming looks and stuff. This probably still looks really bad, but I feel like it's not as bad as last time, and I want to start tackling it when it gets to this stage so that we don't have to do what we did last time where I spent like a week cleaning the studio. So yeah, we're just going to put away some makeup together. I love watching these kind of videos, so I thought that you guys might enjoy it as well. And I used to do this fairly regularly on my channel, so let's do it. So first things first, I'm going to grab like a box and I'm going to put a few things like you know, gather stuff up, and then we're going to put stuff in the drawers. And yeah, it's all going to be sped up and have that nice, good, you know, satisfying little sped up noise. So well, let's do it. Okay, I don't really know what to do with these two palettes. So normally like my actual face palettes I'll put up here. But these are just like blush and bronzer palettes. I'm just like, it's not gonna fit in my blush and bronzer drawer. I might just have to sit them up here for now. I really want to do like a big overhaul soon of like my makeup storage, but it's not like important right now. Like we have more pressing matters that our money needs to go to. But yeah, one day I'd love to do like something completely different, but not yet. Okay, so we are all done. I know it was quite like short and sweet, but that's how I wanted it. I want to keep it easy to deal with so that like it doesn't get to that point where we have to spend heaps of time doing it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I'll try and make them maybe like fortnightly or something like that, just one to like keep on top of like actual keeping the studio clean, but also because I feel like I like watching these videos, so hopefully you guys like watching them too. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!